The perfect family home you've all been waiting for. We're in Vero Beach right now. We're in close proximity to the beach and downtown. And best of all, there's no age restrictions. If you're an outdoor lover, you could keep it the way it is and hang out in the lanai, or you could build out your own little private pool. If you're interested in this home, or maybe even thinking about making the move to Florida, you can reach me at homesbyhaugland.com. I'm here waiting to help you.